Hello everyone, today we will focus on the core pricing policy and quality assurance of prefabricated modular housing, clarifying the procurement cost and quality reliability issues that everyone cares about the most. First, let's talk about the price, which is a top concern for everyone. We offer a variety of popular styles to choose from, such as space capsules, apple cabins, triangular houses, etc., with an overall unit price ranging from $5,000 to $20,000. Additionally, the house size and number of bedrooms will also affect the price. Larger sizes will result in higher prices. Moreover, the quotation will clearly list the details of building materials, ensuring transparency in your spending. Bulk purchases come with pleasant surprises, as tier discounts are available. The payment method is also flexible. A 50% deposit is required in advance, and the remaining 50% is paid as the final payment. After discussing the price, let's move on to quality inspection, which is crucial when buying a house. We maintain strict quality control throughout the entire process, from factory prefabrication and transportation hoisting to on-site installation. All products must comply with the specific standards of the target market, for example, CE certification for exports to the EU and GOST certification for Russia. In terms of thermal insulation, the heat transfer coefficients of walls, roofs, and floors meet local energy saving standards. Special treatments have been applied to areas prone to thermal breaches, such as light steel keels and door, window frames, ensuring a comfortable indoor temperature in both winter and summer. Waterproofing is also rigorously tested. Roofs and exterior walls can withstand 2 hours of continuous water spraying without leakage. The sound insulation effect is excellent, providing a quiet space for both residential and office use. Airtightness, watertightness, and wind resistance performance meet design standards. For instance, the airtightness of exterior windows is greater than or equal to grade 6. The installation of water and electricity is standardized and safe. Water supply and drainage pipes are leak-free, passing hydraulic pressure tests, and drainage is smooth without backflow. Special acceptance indicators are flexibly adjusted according to the target market and usage scenarios. Fire performance complies with the standards of the target country, such EU-Arzt-2 Denol and Russia Gains, G2, and the wear resistance limit of components also meets requirements. For environmental protection, the content of harmful gases such as formaldehyde and VOC in the room complies with national standard GB 50325 or the standards of the target country, e.g. EU E1 class, ensuring healthy living conditions. Durability in special environments has undergone rigorous testing, making the houses reliable for use in high-salt coastal areas and extremely cold regions. Structural safety is our top priority. On one hand, the steel structure delivers exceptional performance. For example, G550 steel has a yield strength of is greater than or equal to 550 megapascals, and welding and bolt connections are firm without hidden dangers. Anti-corrosion coatings are also strictly controlled. Hot dip galvanized layers is greater than or equal to 85 micrometers. Fluorocarbon paint films is greater than or equal to 120 micrometers, and the adhesion test reaches grade 1 or above, maximizing durability. On the other hand, the overall load-bearing capacity is reliable. The roof can withstand snow loads, the floor can bear live loads, the wind resistance is adapted to the level of the target area, and the seismic fortification areas can meet the corresponding deformation and load-bearing requirements. Peace of mind while living is the key. That's all for the core information about the price and quality of prefabricated modular housing today. In the next issue, we will detail delivery and transportation installation services, compliance certifications, customization, adaptability, and after-sales maintenance. Stay tuned if you're interested, and feel free to leave a message with any questions.